How to cancel or edit scheduled payment on Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to cancel or change a scheduled payment, well here is how you can do it on Truist Online Banking. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here, on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to select payments or bill pay to view your scheduled transaction. And there you simply have to locate the payment you want to edit or cancel in the scheduled payment list and there you can just click the payment and then choose cancel to stop it completely or edit to change the amount, date or payee details. And after that you can just save your changes. And with that you need to check for the confirmation message to make sure that your update or cancellation went through. And that's it. That's how you can cancel or edit scheduled payment using the Truist. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.